Hey guys, Asupanda here at Asupanda Media. Back again. I hope you guys are doing well. What are we talking about today? Well, recently somebody ended up asking me which editing software they should use or how AI could actually help them with editing videos and doing stuff like that, right? Now, uh, whenever we talk about AI these days, everybody thinks that you need to take those really expensive webinar courses and anything. I would say you can definitely do that, but before you do that, you can try using one of those chatbots and see if it actually helps you. I recently started using it to basically do transcribe my videos and get high engagement title selections. Also, usually we are quite confused, as I spoke in my last video, that which software to use. Whether you should use Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve, so on and so forth. I use Adobe Premiere. I've been using it for quite a while. I've used others as well, but I find this comfortable. It's just like, if you ride a bike, you have to have a bias towards a particular brand, or if you use cameras, you have a bias towards a particular brand. Same like that. It's basically same but different. Anyways, so let's get right into it. Let's first try and make a basic project on Premiere Pro. So, okay. So the moment you do that, it tells you project name. So let's name it. Hit create. There you go. So once you've done that, let's import our, So basically once you've imported your media in there, you wait for it to generate a peak file. You can see that on your bottom right hand side corner. Done. Okay, now all you need to do is create a timeline. Once you have a timeline, whoa, that looks scary, but anyways, let's probably do that. Okay. There I am. So once you do that, all you need to do is go to effects control, metadata, go to text and hit transcribe. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, it has made a transcript. Now, actually, you can use this transcript to generate captions as well. What we are going to do is just export in the form of a text file. Right? So once we've done that, minimize that, and you can come here. Right? And once you've done that, all you need to do is upload the file, type this. Oh. So if you want to see it closely, okay, right, and you just hit enter. Right, so it gives you a lot of engaging titles. Now once you have a title there, all you need to do is right, so it creates your description that you can basically just copy from here and paste it into your description field. So now let's upload that video and let's upload that title as well. So let's go to YouTube. So once you upload, open your YouTube Studio. All you need to do is upload your video. You can select your file. So now, as you can see, I have performed some edits. I've added the intro to the video, and I've also added an outro right there. And you know what you can do is basically improve your audio here as well. Once that is done, time to export. Now, one thing that you can do which helps on YouTube these days is that you should name your base file. Now, if you remember, these are the titles that we got, right? These are the titles that we got. Let's pick up, say, let's pick this up. Okay. Got that. And let's just save that. And you export the video. So now once you export the video, what you can do is basically just go back to your uploading page again, which is here. Select that file. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2,000 years later. So anyways, yeah, so it's almost about last 30 seconds of exporting that video. It takes time. It depends upon what configuration your PC is. So in my case, yeah, it's a pretty old PC, but it still performs, so I'm okay with it. And I'm waiting for this channel to get monetized, so once that happens, I'll probably buy a new one. So please hit the like and the share button. Please leave your thoughts and your feedback. It helps the channel grow, please. So yeah, so let's make that countdown happen right now. Yeah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, there it is. Okay. Come on, 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 come on. So there it is. So once that is done, yeah, let's come back to uploading our video. Okay, yeah, so this is the one. So you can do that. The title, so you don't need to add the title separately. It's there already because the file name is there. Right, now let's pick up the description that we have. Right, so you just pick up that, copy, paste your description right there. Looks good. And that's it. So basically, that's how easy it is to use the chatbots that there are there. You can use Gemini, you can use DeepSeek, you can use anything that you find comfortable. If they can help you give engaging titles, They can help you give wonderful descriptions. You can now next thing I'm going to do is explore the possibility of using these chatbots for thumbnail ideas, because a lot of people do that as well. I'm still basically trying to figure out how I can use it best for in my scenario. So that's about it. And Adobe Premiere Pro, yeah, that's how easy it is to use. I'll probably make more detailed videos about it. Please do mention in comment section if there is something that you are looking to do in Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'll probably make a video on that as well. So in the end, all I can say is thanks for watching. Keep watching. Until next time, Hoshi Kinti Tawa.